Okay, we're going to line this out for our cheek, and I'll use this big burr here. See how we've cut this out? So we're going to do the same to the other side. And then we'll go on from there. Made these pieces of wood so I put pressure on both sides. And that holds that pretty good. What you do, you just want to kind of score it a little bit first, so your burr won't jump out. So score it, then you can start to go deeper. I said, you want to go from each side to side, so you can try to keep it even. You're doing it like that, then you kind of keep it even that way. So we'll make some marks and then we'll move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.